पेटा लास्ट सरी ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಟ್ಲೇ ಓಪನ್ చేసేసే ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ
Namaskar. Good morning, and we welcome all of you on the opening of our 23rd exclusive store of Karnataka. Yesterday only we opened one more store in Hospet, and we also have a store in Bellary. Another store which is under construction, which is in Davangere. So Karnataka is very, very important state for us. We have total 300 plus operational exclusive store across the India, and this is 23rd exclusive store of Karnataka. And Bangalore we have 11 stores, and this is 12th store. Here you can see all the range of beautiful ASUS product, which starts from 24,990 to 4 lakh and above SRP product. Everything is there in display. Along with that, you will also find a lot of beautiful accessories, from adapters to mouse, keyboard combo, and even warranty extension pack. Everything is available for the customer. Customer can touch and feel the product, and we follow the one SRP policy so that customer can buy from anywhere. Our main aim is to give the best of the consumer experience to the customer. Even customer after purchase, there are a lot of end customer offers available on our promo site. You can visit our promo site. It is a hassle-free redemption process. Lot of cashback offers are there, EMI offers are there, cards and Bajaj Finance, everything is available. There are student offers are also available. Then we also provide, because when a customer purchases a product from such a beautiful showroom, it is also equally important that customers should get a better service. So we have total 2 service centers in Bangalore, and we provide on-site service. So one service center is in SP Road, another Cunningham Road, and one more service center is coming up in September. So that is also one of the very unique kind of the store where we will have a gaming store. Then above that we will have a select store, and on the top floor we will have a service center. So customer will get a complete solution at one place.
Sir, in this fiscal year, how much expectation you are, growth of expectation you are from Karnataka?
Expected growth Karnataka. So as of now we are having around 15% market share in Karnataka, and we are aiming to have 20% market share
What about in
by
all
end
India,
of
all India basis?
all India. It's on an average around 19% market share.
So now only you are concentrating only in major cities or tier 2, tier 3? Are you concentrating only major cities or tier 2, tier?
No, we are targeting all the cities of Karnataka. Like previously I mentioned that we just opened yesterday a store in Hospet. Hospet is a market of around 250 to 300 laptops. So we do have a store there. Then Davangiri, there is one more store is under construction, which we will inaugurate next week. Then Bellary also we have a store. So likewise we have we don't have only focusing on the metro cities. We are going to cover all the upcountry locations of Karnataka.
What's your roadmap, sir? This specific.
Roadmap is as I said, the products are starting from 24,990 to 4 lakh and above. So everything is available, and customer can come to the place. They can touch and feel the product. Apart from this, we have operational 4,000 plus T3 partners across the India. Then we do have our presence in Reliance Digital, Vijay Sales and Chroma kind of stores. Then we do have our presence in Harsha Electronics and Pi International kind of regional LFR. We are also having a presence. Then we do have our own e-shop where so the main unique point about ASUS is we follow one SRP policy, and all the offers and everything remains same for the customer. So it's about building mutual trust between brand and customer. So any customer who is buying a product, ASUS product from anywhere, they will get a same price, same offer, same after sales support. Everything will remain same.
You are targeting any age group, sir?
We are targeting all age group, from student to all the millennials and all they can buy. We have a complete range, even for the commercial, small offices, home business, SMEs. Everyone will find their solution in ASUS.
What's your expansion plan, sir?
Future plan in Karnataka, we wanted to have minimum 30-35 stores. So as of now, around 23 operational stores. So another 12 to 13 stores we are searching for a partner. And let me introduce our partner, Ashwath Computer, Harish Ji. So he is there in the market for more than 18 years, and he has a very niche customer base. So when it comes to opening a showroom in this area, so he was our prime choice, and that's why we get engaged with them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
18 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರೀಶ್ ಅಂತ. 18 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ತುಂಬ ಇವರು ಆಸಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಸಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಆನರಬಲ್. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
And we, like you say, what is the roadmap? So he is a branch manager of Karnataka, then he is a regional sales manager of South, he is a Santosh Ashik. Then we have a territory manager who takes care of retail. Then we have a Nayan who is taking care of distribution business, and we have a branch product manager. So very huge team we have. Apart from this, we have a lot of promoters across the Karnataka. So around 60-70 people staff who is working to build up a brand in Karnataka.
फर्स्ट साल